something in the group. I just.
I don't know why something came in the group.
No, he hasn't. He hasn't. We are in Bangalore trying to set up the place.
Oh.
We came for board meetings. That's why Kumuda also could not join on Sunday, because we're just settling in our place in Bangalore.
You're in Bangalore now?
Yes, sir. We are in Whitefield.
You're moving to Bangalore?
No, I think we'll be shuttling between Bangalore and Bombay. I have one board in Bombay and one board in Bangalore. So during the board meetings, I'll have to shuttle. No, we have not decided. I retired 4 months back, so I'm not still decided where to live. Bombay is very professional and smooth. Bangalore still we are settling down. So.
Yes. Bangalore is not that.
Not easy. It's not easy.
Yes. Actually, I wanted to ask you something about. I'll make a call later during the day.
Let's do that. Anytime, sir.
Well, I don't know whether Rakesh is unable to join, or let me give him a call.
I'll hold on.
You call him? You please. Yeah. I'll call him. You please wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah.
राकेश जी क्या हो गया, आप निकल गए ग्रुप से अपने कॉल से? ओके, आ रहे हैं ना आप? ओके, फाइन. Okay, so we were at the we finished shloka number 431 of page number 19, and we were trying to look for asti and nasti.
Yes.
Asti as being to be there.
Yes, sir.
And nasti as meaning to say not there. So it's like na and asti. Actually, there are two words in it. Nasti has got two individual words in it, and with Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, this becomes nasti. Right? So this is the first introduction to a verb. So far, we have not studied any verbs in this language up to now. So this is the first verb that we are coming to see. What we can call is it as a Kriya Padam, not a good name, or rather not an appropriate name. But at this stage, it's okay. So that pada which shows a kriya, right, is a kriya padam.
Right.
It's not as I told you, it's not an appropriate word, but it's okay. At this stage, we are fine.
And Sharaha means the arrow.
Sharaha means arrow.
Okay.
Sharaha is arrow. You know, Bhishma was lying on what? Sharashaya.
Okay.
You know, no? Bhishma
Yeah.
was downed by Arjuna, and he was lying on a Sharashaya, the bed of arrows. Right? So Shara is arrow. Right? Issue also is arrow. Issue is also arrow. So Katham Bhishma Maham Sankhye Ishubhihi Pratiyotsyami, he says, you know, how do I in the war, how do I attack Bhishma with arrows? So issue is also arrow. Another word for arrow. Okay, we'll go to the 40th shloka of the 4th adhyaya.
So should we wait, sir? What do you...
Is he in? No, not yet. Okay, let's continue.
Yeah.
Let's continue. Let's continue. Please send link. Now, how on earth do I send him a link? Do you have Skype on the same device as your?
No, sir. I don't have actually. I'm just see if I can.
Give me a moment. Let me see if I can get a link for him. I don't know. Oh, he's not getting the call. Skype light.
Can invite people, I think, but
I think share group via link. Okay, I've sent him a link. Let's see. Let's wait. Yes, fourth adhyaya, the 40th shloka. Yes. Can you read it?
yes.
Fourth adhyaya, Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah, I brought all of them. Yeah, one second.
Fourth adhyaya, 40th shloka.
Should I wait?
No, I think we'll start because it's anywhere under with recording. So, here he is.
Yeah.
Rakesh ji, abhi aa gaya. Yeah, very nice.
Link is asking sometime. Link was not available.
Yes, actually, मेरे ख्याल से same link होना चाहिए. So you probably have to save this link. I don't think it will be a different link every time. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Yes, 48th shloka. Kananji, read.
Yeah. अज्ञश्चाश्रद्धधानश्च संशयात्मा विनश्यति नायं लोकोऽस्ति न परो न सुखं संशयात्मनः.
Very nice. So, ajñascha shraddhadanascha samshayatma vinashyati ayam lokosti na paro na sukham samshayatmanah. So, our basic purpose is to look for asti, but we try to understand the sloka also a little bit, right? So, I will split the sandhis for you. Ajnaha cha cha shraddhadanah श्रद्धानः च, right? अज्ञः च अश्रद्धानः च संशय आत्मा विनश्यति न अयं लोकः अस्ति न परः न सुखं संशय आत्मनः. Right? So our first purpose, first job, finding asti, which we have found. Right?
Yeah.
So what is he trying? What is he trying to say? Ajnaha, the one who is having no knowledge. Ajnaha, right? Pradnyaha, with great knowledge. Ajnaha, with no knowledge. The person without knowledge. That's not enough. There's another qualification. Shraddhanaha, the one who does not have faith, is Shraddhanaha. Shraddhanaha.
Which page it is?
No, this is the fourth adhyaya, 40th shloka.
Gita.
We are on page number 19. We are doing the Kakshya Karyam. Last time we did 266, 322, 431.
Yes.
Today we are starting with 4th Adhyaya, 48th Shloka. Right? We are looking for Asti and Nasti. Fine. So, what kind of people? The one without knowledge, one.
Ashraddha itself means there's no Shraddha. What is Dhanaha? Why is it coming there? Shraddha,
Let me finish this, then I come to
okay,
that.
sure.
I'll little more complicated, but I will still try to
Okay.
help you with that. Right? Okay. So ashraddhanaha cha samshayatma, the one who is having samshaya, the one who is having doubt. Samshaya atma. So the one who is having samshaya gets destroyed, he says. That means the person who is having samshaya, the person who is having doubt, the person who is having no faith, and the person without knowledge, this kind of a person will get destroyed. Na ayam lokaha asti, this loka is not his. उसका ये लोक तो हो ही नहीं सकता, और ये अगर ये लोक नहीं हो सकता तो परलोक भी नहीं हो सकता. न परह अयम लोकः नास्ति and paraloka api nasti. Both lokas are not his. That means you cannot really get anything if you don't have these three qualities. That means if you have knowledge, if you have faith, and if you have no samshaya, doubt, right? Such a person can get something. Such a person who does not have any of these three things cannot get anything. Not even here, but in paraloka also, right? And na sukham samshayatmanaha. So the samshayatma cannot possess sukha. Okay, I'm trying to deliberately word it like this. Of the samshayatma, there cannot be sukha. Of the samshayatma, there cannot be sukha. Right? So, do you realize what I said? I said in the first sentence, I said samshayatma gets destroyed. Samshayatma gets destroyed. And of the samshayatma, there is no sukha. Do you see the two ways?
Two different vibhaktis looks like. Yeah.
Two different vibhaktis, correct. So what am I trying to show you is that these two words are in two different vibhaktis. Clear? We found asti. We found the word asti. Yeah. Now sandhi wise, we know cha shraddhadhanascha with what sandhi? Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Yeah.
Correct. Samshayatma savarna dirgha sandhi.
Yeah.
संशयात्मनः सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि.
Yeah.
नायम सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि.
Yes.
न अयम नायम. लोकोस्ति पूर्व रूप संधि. See how many sandhis we have already done, right? There are other sandhis here. For example, the visarga changing into the shakara, the visarga changing into the shakara, the visarga changing into the okara, which we have not done exactly, but things like this are happening. Right? Yes. The change of the visargas to either the sakara, shakara, or the okara, right? Okay. Yeah, which we have already done in some way, but we don't know exactly where it happens and all that. Right. But Savarna Sandhi, though, we clearly know. Yes. Right? Okay, yes. I come to your Ashraddhanaha. So, Shraddh, the word Shraddh, right? Yeah. Actually means faith. Okay. The word faith, what we call as faith is what we call in Hindi Marathi as all Shraddha. Correct, no? We call it as Shraddha, right? The original word in Sanskrit language is Shraddh, right? So this actually composed of two words. This consists of two words, Shraddh and Dadhanaha. Okay. Right? Dadhanaha means the one keeping, the one holding, is dadhana. The one who is holding, the one who is keeping. Continuous tense. Right? So the one who holds faith is Shraddadhana. The one who has faith. In English, you don't say hold faith, no. You say he has faith. When you go from Sanskrit to English, you have to change the Kriya Padam. You have to change the verb, right? So dadhana. So for example, pustaka dadhana. Saraswati Devi. She is a pustaka dadhana. Why? Because she holds pustakam in her hand.
Yeah.
If you see the picture of Sharda Devi, Saraswati Devi, then she holds pustakam in one hand, right? So you can say she is pustaka dadhana strilinga padam. Right? So you get the meaning of the word dadhana is the one who is holding, continuously holding.
Okay.
Got it? So that explains the word Shraddadhana. Okay. The more details of dadhana we will go only in the next book.
Sure.
More complicated, but we'll do it in the next book. Right?
Okay.
Right? We go to the 16th sloka. Yes, Rakesh ji, padhiye. 6th adhyaya. Yes, Rakesh ji, are you here? 6th adhyaya.
Natyashanastu yogosthna chakana manshata nata chati swapnashilasya jagrato naiva narjuna.
Very nice. Very beautiful shloka. Almost Sri Krishna is telling us, what to do and what not to do.
Okay.
Right? Very beautiful prescription, which you will be surprised. And what are we doing nowadays? People who are supposed to be religious, so-called religious, they are not doing as per what Krishna is saying. So let us see what Krishna is saying. Natyashnatastu yogosti nachaikantam manashnatah nachati swapnashilasya jagrato naiva charjuna. So let me split the sandhis, then you understand. This is a tongue twister, Natyashnatastu yogosti na ati ashnataha tu, right? Na ati ashnataha tu yogaha asti. As I am splitting, please try to see what sandhis are coming into play. Na cha ekantam anashnataha. Right? Na cha ati swapna shilasya na cha ati swapnashilasya jagratah na eva cha Arjuna. Okay. So let's try to get our asti first. मिल गया ना, asti मिल गया. Yogosti. We know Purva Rupa Sandhi, which we have done. Correct, no? Purva Rupa Sandhi. Correct?
Yes.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Right? What Sandhi is here? What Sandhi is here? Atyashnataha. Yan Sandhi, very nice. Vruddhi Sandhi. Chaikantam.
Yeah.
Right? Na chati. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Right?
Yeah.
Visarga changing into okara. Jagrato na eva. Vruddhi Sandhi.
Yes, sir.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. No, sorry. Charjuna, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Yes.
Clear? Good.
Right.
So Sandhi is clear. Right? Okay, now what is he trying to say? हम लोग बोलते हैं we have pratarashanam means breakfast is pratarashanam. Pratarashanam means breakfast. Pratah ashanam. So there is something called as ashanam, which means food, right? Which means food. Ashanam means food, correct? So ati ashnatah, the one who eats too much, right? The one who eats too much is ati ashnatah. Anashnatah, the one who does not have food. You have two different two extremes. The one who doesn't eat at all and the one who eats a lot, right? Of such people, yoga is not there. Yoga means what? Yoga in the case of the Bhagavad Gita, yoga means the union with the Parabrahma, union with the Lord, right? So the one who eats too much, no yoga not possible. Yoga nasti. The one who eats nothing, what we say, what we do, fasting. The one who fasts, right? That for that guy also there is no union, there is no yoga. Ati swapna shilaha, the one who sleeps too much. Ati swapna shila. Swapna shila, when do you get swapna? Only when you are sleeping, no? Right? So the one who sleeps too much and the one who does not sleep at all, jagrataha, the one who does not sleep at all, usko bhi na, both of these extremes, yoga is not possible. You get what I'm saying? So Sri Krishna is telling us here, if you fast, no, and you harm yourself, there is no possibility of yoga. There is no possibility of union with the Lord. Right? At the same time, the one who is sleeping a lot means inactive, and the one who is not sleeping at all, that guy also. For these two kinds of people, extreme cases, there is no yoga. Clear? There is no union with the Lord. Clear?
Sir, may I ask you, sir, quickly? Sorry,
Yes,
I lost
please,
the connection.
please.
I came back. So, Ashnataha, you said
Ashnataha.
breakfast.
Pratarashanam means breakfast, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You also have amaranam anshan. Anshan is without food, up
Yeah.
to death. You
Okay.
use the word amaran anshan, in Hindi,
Yeah.
correct? Huh?
Yeah.
You say amaran anshan means what? Until he dies, he is going to not eat.
Yeah.
Right? So this ashanam somewhere has got to do with food, right?
Okay.
Ati ashnataha is of that person who eats too much.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Anashnataha, ashnataha, ashnataha.
Okay, sir.
The one who does not eat at all.
Okay, sir.
The one who is fasting, right?
Yeah.
So for both these kind of people, yoga is not there.
And you said sleeping a lot and not sleeping at all. Okay, sir. I got
Sleeping a lot and not sleeping at all. For those two people also, yoga is not there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And what are we doing? We are doing fasting and whatnot, and disturbing your system and trying to think that there is yoga possible. Yoga is not possible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 8th Adhyaya, 5th Shloka. Yes, Kananji, read.
Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati sa madhavam yati nastyatra samshayah.
Very nice. Very beautiful sloka. He tells us, what we should do at the time of death, what to do. Right? Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra samshayah. So, antakale, at the time of death, at the last moment. Antakale cha mam eva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati mat bhavam. I'm splitting the sandhi. It's mat bhavam only. Mat bhavam yati nasti atra samshayah. So he tells without doubt, nasti atra samshayah. Right? So he's giving you a very definite, fixed statement, without any questions. Right? He says, Antakale cha mameva smaran, remembering me at the time of death, at the last moment, remembering me, having left the body, kalevaram, body. Another word for body is shariram, we know, na? We know the word shariram. Another word for shariram is kalevaram. Right?
Okay.
Yah prayati mat bhavam yati nasti atra samshayah. There is no doubt that such a person who at the time of death remembers me, after having left the body, he comes to me, mad bhavam. He reaches, it's not really comes to me. He says, bhava, the real meaning of bhava is the essence of existence is bhava. Right? So he comes to the essence of my existence. That means he becomes one with him. Right? So yati mad bhavam, he goes. Yati is to go. Right? Prayati is to die. Prakarshena yati. So see, just see, look here, how the beautiful the word is. Yati means to go. And pra is to, to do anything intensely, you add a pra. The pra upasarga is added to show intensity. Right? To go so well, to go so powerfully that you don't come back. It's only a one-way process. You only go, you don't come back. Yati is, you go and come back. Right? To go in such a way that you can come back. Prayati, to go and go. That's it. Right?
Yeah.
So you have a very beautiful statement here. So yaha antakale chamam smaran eva kalevaram muktva yaha prayati saha madbhavam yati atra samshayah nasti. I see I have rearranged all these words.
Yeah.
I want to say something.
Tell me.
Maybe because Hindu population is less because of this only.
Come again.
Maybe because Hindus remember mostly God at the Ram at time of death. Maybe they don't come back and their population is less.
No, then I will like to tell you something very nice. You just now said that Hindus remember God at the time of death. But how do you know what is the time of death?
That is why every time you should keep doing Namasmara.
Yes. So the essence of the shloka means that he is not telling you that only to remember him at the time of death. Because at the time of death, you will remember doctor and medicine and God knows what.
Yeah.
You understand? आप समझे राकेश जी? There is a very subtle direction to say that you remember me at all times.
Okay.
Because when are you going to die? How do you know? Nobody knows. So remember at all times. This is a very nice way of saying you remember me at all times. Because कभी मरेंगे तो निश्चित नहीं है ना, हमारे को तो पता नहीं है, निश्चित है लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है. Right? So very beautiful shloka. So now you have found your
one doubt I had. Yeah, asti is nasti, right? Yeah. So
yes.
one doubt I had, this Smaran, I thought it's always Tavargiyana, not Tavargiyana. So is there?
Okay, very nice. Very nice. So the Pratipadikam is Smarat.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Smarat is the Pratipadikam. And in Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, this becomes Smaran.
Okay.
Okay. In Pullinga, obviously, Smarat is the one who is remembering. See, I am choosing my words properly. The one who is remembering all the time, continuously. Right? We have not done Kriyapadams in great detail. So very difficult to tell you now. But then the words which end like this, no, Smaran, Pathan, the one who is reading, Gachan, the one who is going. Right? So the Pratipadikam is Smarat.
Okay.
Right? It comes from the root. It comes from the root smr.
Okay.
It comes from the root smr. Right? So we'll see. We are going to do a lot of verbs in great detail. So we will see. But you keep this at the back of your mind. Right?
Okay. Okay.
Very nice. So we have finished the Bhagavad Gita part. Let's start with Puta Kramanka Vimshatihi. Vimshatihi means 20. Here. Okay. Let's read. There are a lot of common words which we need to use in day-to-day language, right? Which again and again this book is trying to point out to you that Sanskrit is a perfectly conversable language. You can talk in Sanskrit without any problem. There is no issue. This is not only a language of the mantras and the shlokas and philosophy. It's a perfectly conversable language. Yes. Read. Rakesh ji padhiye. Patak Kramanka Ashta.
पाठक क्रमांक 8 तत्र का परिदेवना पश्यत उच्चै पठत च
पश्यत उच्चैः पठत च. Not pashyat and not patat.
पश्यत उच्चै पठत च.
Very nice. Read the words in the box.
अत्र तत्र कुत्र अन्यत्र सर्वत्र अन्यत्र सर्वत्र एकत्र.
Very nice. So we'll study these 6 words we are going to study. Right? Yes. What is the question? Read.
अर्जुन कुत्र अस्ति.
Arjunah kutra asti. Arjuna nahi. Not Arjuna. Arjunah.
अर्जुनः कुत्र अस्ति. भीष्मः कुत्र अस्ति.
So the man in the center is asking, Arjunah kutra asti. Bhishmah kutra asti.
अर्जुनः अत्र अस्ति. भीष्मः अत्र अस्ति.
नहीं, Bhishma tatra asti.
Bhishma tatra asti.
So the question is what? Arjunaha kutra asti? Where is Arjuna? Bhishmaha kutra asti? Where is Bhishma? So answer is where? Jo nazdik hai. Arjunaha atra asti. Who is closer, Arjuna or Bhishma? So Arjunaha atra asti. Bhishmaha tatra asti. Far away. So Arjuna is here. Bhishma is there.
Yes.
Clear? Now you know the meaning of atra and tatra. Clear?
Yes.
So if I have to say atra putstakam asti. Mere paas. Right? Tatra dwaram asti. Somewhere far away there is a door. Right? Clear? Okay.
Okay.
Read further. What is given on the right side?
Bhagavan sarvatra asti.
Bhagavan sarvatra asti. Sarvatra, everywhere. So now you have learned 4 words. First word kutra, where. Atra, here. Tatra, there. Sarvatra, everywhere. Right? Bhagavan sarvatra asti. Kila? Sarva, Bhagavan is everywhere. Right? Yes. Kananji, read further.
कोष्ठकं दृष्ट्वा कः कुत्र अस्ति इति वदत। पाण्डवपक्षः कौरवपक्षः.
So now see carefully, listen carefully. The finger pointing on the left side shows here, and when you say there, you say like that, no?
Yeah,
Far away.
distance.
Distance, right? So where are you standing here? You are standing near the Pandava Paksha.
Okay, sir.
And Kaurava Paksha is tatra asti. Kaurava Paksha tatra asti. Pandava Paksha atra asti. That means where am I standing near Pandava Paksha?
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Sir.
Yes. So now Koshtakam društva
And
kaha
means, yeah.
Pakshaha means
side.
Side, or Pakshaha literally means wing.
Wing. Okay. Sir.
Wing. That is where you get the word Pakshi.
Okay.
From this word Paksha comes the word Pakshi. We know Pakshi, everybody knows.
Yes.
Pakshi, bird.
Okay.
So
but
that in which
Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha and all is also the same.
So that's what I'm saying. Wing is one meaning, side is another meaning.
Okay.
Right? Part is another meaning. Part.
Okay.
Right? Your Krishna Paksha, the dark part, and the Shukla Paksha, the bright part. Right? So Paksha comes, the actual meaning is wing. And there are several other derived meanings.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, in Sanskrit language, always remember this uniqueness of meaning slowly vanishes.
Okay, sir.
In all the languages that we know, in English and we know that there is a strict meaning. Every word has one unique meaning. Table means table. Table doesn't mean something else. Elephant means elephant. No. In the Sanskrit language, we slowly, as you go towards Sanskrit, you try to you come across one thing having hundreds of words, right? And there is overlap also. There is overlap also. That means Kshiram, for example, the word Kshiram. What do you use Kshiram for?
Milk.
Very nice. Yes, but also means water.
Okay.
Another word for water is Kshiram. Right? So in Sanskrit, we don't talk about things. We talk more about the properties of those things. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
What in English, what you do is, or English or any of our languages, what we do is we name things. Right? Correct?
Yeah.
If you say elephant, elephant means elephant. Some that whatever you in your mind is elephant. But in Sanskrit, if I say Gajaha, or Karin, Kari, then I am referring to one property of that at that item that I am trying to talk about.
Right.
I'm not referring to that thing. I'm referring to some property of that thing. So there is obviously going to be overlap, no?
Right.
It's going to be overlap, right? So if I say kshiram, something that is fluid is kshiram. So I'm talking about property. That something that is fluid. That something that is fluid means what? Something that flows, right? So it can also flow. Water can also flow. Something else can also flow, right? Everything that flows, and therefore you get overlaps, right?
Okay.
So paksha would mean wing, would mean side, would mean half. Okay. Okay. Let's see who is where now. So that is the Koshtakam Drishtva.
Yeah.
Kaha kutra asti, kaha kutra asti, who is where? You have to tell, right?
Yeah.
Who is atra? Kaha atra asti, kaha tatra asti, tatvadata.
Okay.
Yes.
Abhimanyuhu, Yuyutsuhu,
No.
Ghatotkacha, Drupada.
Where are they?
Okay. Abhimanyuhu atra asti. Yuyutsuhu atra asti. Ghatotkacha atra asti. Drupadah atra asti. Viratah atra asti. Bhishmah tatra asti.
Tatra
Krupah
asti.
tatra asti. Bhagadattah, I don't know who he is.
Somebody.
Tatra, okay, sir. Jayatratah tatra asti. Drishtaketuh tatra asti.
Tatra asti, right? So very clear what is atra and tatra.
Yes.
Right? Very nice. Rakesh ji, padhiye etani vakyani.
यथा अभिमन्यु अस्ति
So
भीष्मः
that we have done. We have done that, right?
yes
Hmm.
एतानि वाक्यानि उच्चैः पठत्
Uchaihi pathat.
उच्चैः
Pathat.
पठत्
Hmm.
कुरुक्षेत्रं रणगे पांडवाः एकत्र तिष्ठन्ति तिष्ठन्ति कौरवाः एकत्र तिष्ठन्ति महाभारत युद्ध समये बलरामः अन्यत्र भवति
Very nice. So, very nice. Two more words we'll study. Kurukshetra Ranarange. Kurukshetra Ranarange. Pandavaha ekatra tishtanti. Pandavas are together. Pandavaha ekatra together. Ekatra. One more word we have studied, right? Kauravaha ekatra tishtanti. Tishtanti. One more verb. Tishtanti is to stand. Okay. So Kurukshetra Ranarange, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Pandavas are standing together. Kauravas are standing together. Correct? Mahabharata Yuddha Samaye, at the time of the Mahabharata Yuddha, Balaramaha Anyatra Bhavati. Other word meaning for is there. Right? So where is Balarama in the Mahabharata Yuddha? Is there? Is he there?
no
Was Balarama in the Mahabharata Yuddha?
So it is.
nahi
No, he is elsewhere.
He was not
He's
there. So Anyatra Mahabharata Yuddha Samaye, at the time of the Balarama, he is elsewhere. He is somewhere else. Here Anyatra. Good. So we have studied these words: Atra, Tatra, Putra, Anyatra, Sarvatra, Ekatra. Fine. Yes. Abhyasaha. Read. Kandanji, padi. So now there are things given in the boxes, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Syutah.
So,
Yeah. Rikta abhyasaya. Rikta sthanani purayata.
Purayata.
First one, Syutah atra asti. Syutah means
Syutah, bag.
bag. Okay, sir.
Syutah, bag.
Okay. Lekhani atra asti.
Lekhani atra asti. Right? Correct, no? Syutah atra asti. Lekhani atra asti.
Then third one, Chashakah tatra asti.
Chashakah, cup.
Yes, okay.
In Hindi we use chashaka.
Okay, sir. Vayuhu sarvatra asti.
Very nice.
Gati tatra asti.
Gati clock.
Gati is clock. Yeah. Gati tatra asti. Parvatah anyatra asti.
Parvata anyatra asti. Parvata is somewhere else. Right? No Parvata here, like Balarama in the Mahabharata Yuddha. Right?
Here also.
Okay. So we have learned small things like atra, kutra. Then we have done verbs like tishtanti, bhavati. Right? Verbs. These are verbs. Right? So at this point of time, we have done three verbs you know do exist. Asti, tishtanti, and bhavati. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And it looks as if bhavati and asti are having the same meaning.
Correct.
Tishtati is to stand. Right? In the Vishnu Sahasranama, what is that? Not Vishnu Sahasranama. What do you say in the morning? How do you wake up Lord Vishnu?
Uttishta. Suprabhatam, sir.
Suprabhatam. In the Suprabhatam, how do you wake up Lord Vishnu? You are supposed to get up before Lord Vishnu gets up, and you have to wake him up.
Right. Uttishta.
So what are you saying all the time? Uttishta, Uttishta. Right? No? Uttishta Garudadvaja, Uttishta Kamalakanta. Correct? No?
Yes.
So Uttishta. So Tishta, stand. Ut gives the meaning of to rise. You know? So get up. That way. Uttishta. See, Tishta. Right? Tishtati is to stand. Uttishtati is to get up. Clear? So these small words you should remember, wherever in your shlokas and mantras you get these words. So tishtha. Clear?
Yes.
We are beginning with Shashti Vibhakti. Right? At this point of time, we are finished with Prathama Vibhakti. Right? We are finished with Prathama Vibhakti. Now we begin with Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Shashti Vibhakti shows possession. Just as Prathama Vibhakti shows the one who is doing the action. Right? Shashti Vibhakti shows what? Shows possession. That is what you want to say, no?
Right.
So we have already done two words. We have already done rather three words of Shashti Vibhakti. When you say my name, Mama Nama. Right? My name. We said my name, no?
Yeah.
Then you said Bhavatah Nama. Your name. And for Strilinga we said Bhavatyaha Nama. Correct, no?
Yeah.
So what were these words showing? They were showing the possession of me, of you, male, of you, female. Clear? Good. So the translation, how does it happen? Shashti Vibhakti becomes of me, of you, right? So, of all, I am the source of all. Yes, read the title of the chapter.
Sir, I will do.
Paఠ क्रमांक 9. पाठ क्रमांक 9. पुट क्रमांक 21.
Okay.
पुट क्रमांक 21.
Okay.
Yes, Kadanji, read.
Aham sarvasya prabhavah.
Aham, we know what is aham. I.
Yeah.
Prabhavah, I am the source. I am the beginning. Source. Right? Of all. Sarvasya. So you see, this word has to go into what vibhakti? Into Sashti. Why?
Okay.
Because it is showing possession of somebody. Right?
Okay.
So, किसका possession है? किसका possession है? That has to go into Sashti. Right?
Okay.
So aham sarvasya prabhavaha. I am the source of everything. That is what Krishna says, you know. I am the source of everything. Right? So, read further.
Pashyata uccaihi patata cha. Shashti vibhaktihi.
Very nice.
Krishnaha Balaramaha Hari Dhritarashtraha. So Krishnaha becomes Krishnasya Bhrata Balaramaha.
Krishnasya brata Balaramaha. So, if the Pratipadikam was Krishna, then we know that Krishnaha is Prathama Vibhakti. Correct, no?
Yes.
Right? So now, if you want to say of Krishna, how to say?
Krishna.
You have to
Yeah.
use Shashti Vibhakti. And the Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana word is Krishnasya. Clear?
Yes.
Very nice. So now you know for Akaranta Pullinga, you will have to make it like this Krishnasya.
Okay.
So can I say Balaramasya Bhrata Krishna?
Yes, sir. Because it's also Akaranta.
Because Balarama is also Akaranta.
Yes.
Clear? Good. So now we
Yes.
know Akaranta Pullinga ka Sashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You only know one now at this point. Ekavachanam. How to make? Adds here. Right? Good.
Yeah.
Next. Read further.
Gandharyaha Patihi Dhritarashtraha.
So Pratipadikam Gandhari. Prathama Vibhakti also Gandhari. Correct? No, like Nadi.
Correct.
Like Ikaranta Strilinga Padam. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to say husband of Gandhari Patihi, right? Husband.
Yeah.
Gandharyaha. Patihi Gandharyaha Dhritarashtraha. So Dhritarashtra is the husband of Gandhari. So now, how do you do? The name of the river is Ganga. Name of the river. Tell me, Nadi Pratipadikam. So Gandhari, you made it. What did you make it? Gandharyaha.
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Correct.
Can you tell me what Nadi will become? If Gandhari became Gandharyaha.
Nadhyaha.
Very nice. Nadhyaha. Is it clear, Rakeshji?
Yes, clear.
You just don't see the sounds. Gandhari became Gandharyaha. Nadi became Nadhyaha. Good. So Nadhyaha Nama Ganga. Asti. We have studied already, no? We already studied. Nadhyaha Nama Ganga Asti. We have studied already. Good. Let's go further. Yes, Rakesh ji, padhiye next. Subhadra.
Subhadra Abhimanyu. Subhadraya Putra Abhimanyu.
Very nice. Subhadra. What kind of a word? Subhadra. Akaranta Strilinga word. Correct, no? Subhadra. So, Subhadrayaha. The son of Subhadra is Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu Subhadrayaha putraha asti. So you know now akaranta endings, right? Right? So Mala, what will happen to Mala? Mala, Prathama Vibhakti, right?
Malyaha.
No, Subhadra became Subhadrayaha.
Malayaha.
Very nice. Malayaha. Is this clear? Subhadra became Subhadrayaha. Mala will become Malayaha. Clear? Okay, next. Read further. Rakesh ji, padhiye.
Mahabharatasya kartas vyasah.
Very nice. Mahabharatasya. So Mahabharatam. Akaranta Napunsakalinga. See, if you remember how we started with Prathama Vibhakti, we did Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Strilinga, and Akaranta Napunsakalinga. So we are also following the same pattern here also. Mahabharatasya.
Mahabharat karta vyasah.
Vyasa, we know, no? So the composer, the maker of the Mahabharata, is Vyasa.
Why is it written Mahabharatam, sir? It's Mahabharata, right?
Mahabharata, Pratipadikam Mahabharata.
Okay.
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Mahabharatam.
Okay.
Like Chakra, Chakram, Pustaka, Pratipadikam Pustakam.
Understood.
Correct.
Okay.
Syandana, Syandanam. Clear? When you say Syandanam, you are in Prathama Vibhakti. When you say Syandana, you are talking of Pratipadikam. Right? Unusable root.
Yeah.
Right? So Mahabharata is an Naputsakalika Padam. Bharata Desha. Right? Naputsakalika Padam. Bharata. So Bharatam. Clear? Okay. Let's read further. Many more examples of other words is there. Let's see. Yes. Kanna. Padatu.
Yes, sir. First one. Arjunasya Guruhu Dronaha.
Is it clear whose guru? Is Arjuna the guru of Drona or Drona the guru of Arjuna?
Yeah, Dronaha is in first Pratipadikam. Arjunasya is sixth. So
Very nice.
Arjuna.
So Dronaha guru asti.
Yeah.
So Dronaha guru asti. Correct, na? Drona is the guru of whom? So Arjunasya.
Yeah.
Because Arjuna was an Akaranta Pullinga Pratipadikam, like Krishna. So Krishnasya, Arjuna become Arjunasya.
So this Asti is a test for first Pratipadikam, is it? Asti?
Yes, because the Kriyapadam shows the Karta, no? Who is the Karta? Drona.
Okay, sir.
Or Guru. Guru also is Prathama Vibhakti, no? Suppose I say the teacher is Drona or Drona is the teacher.
Okay, sir.
Both can be Karta, no? If I say Dronaha is there,
Yes.
and another sentence I say Guruhu is there,
Right.
and then say Drona is Guru or Guru is Drona.
Okay, sir.
Whichever way, Karta is, both are Karta, no?
Right.
Correct? So Arjunasya, because Arjuna is an Akaranta Pullinga. And we know now how to make Arjuna Sashti Vibhakti Arjunasya.
Right.
Yeah? Very nice.
Yeah.
Next.
Deshasya nama Bharatam.
Ah, very nice. Deshasya nama Bharatam. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Next.
Arjunasya Ayudham Gandivam.
Arjunasya Ayutam.
Arjuna's
Arjuna's weapon is the Gandiva. Clear? Now you see of Arjuna, of the country, of Arjuna, Arjunasya, Deshasya. Yes. Next.
Dushalayaha Patihi Jayatratha.
Jayatratah.
Dushala must be the wife, right? Dushala. I don't know. That's a must.
No,
Dushala becomes Dushala.
there was Kauravanam Eka Bhagini Asit. There was one sister of the Kauravas.
That is Dushala.
There were
Okay.
100 brothers and one sister.
Yeah.
Dushala. Her name was Dushala. Her name was Dushala. Right? See, all these actually the name of Duryodhana is actually Suyodhana. His name was in the Mahabharata. He was, see, nobody will name his son with Du, no? Dur. Right? Anybody will name his son as Durbhagi or always say Saubhagi.
Correct.
Right? You never call somebody with at least your children you will not call with the Duhu, which shows something negative. So he was actually Suyodhana. His name was Suyodhana.
Okay.
So she was Sushala.
Oh my.
The one with the one with the best character was Sushala. And he was Suyodhana, the one who could was very good at making strategies.
Okay.
The one who was making really good at making strategies, but making strategies in the wrong way. No, afterwards.
Correct.
So therefore he became Duryodhana. He was actually Suyodhana. Right? So Dushala was the only sister of the 100 Kauravas. So Dushalayaha Patihi, the husband of Dushala, was Jayadratha. Clear? Dushala becomes Dushalayaha. Very nice. Okay, next.
Kaurava Senayaha Nayakaha Bhishmaha.
Sena. Akaram is Strilinga.
So Senayaha. Right.
So Senayaha.
Yeah.
Kaurava Senayaha Nayakaha, the chief of the Kaurava Sena, is Bhishma.
Right.
Yeah, good. Rakesh ji, 6 to 10. What do you?
Nadyaha Nam Ganga. Ganga.
This is not D, this is N.
Ganga.
Right? So Nadyaha Nam, not Nam. आपको शायद संस्कृत पढ़ने के बाद आपकी हिंदी बदल जाएगी. So Nadyaha Nam, not Nam. Nam Ganga. Clear? So we know now Nadyaha. I told you Nadi. Shashti Vibhakti becomes Nadyaha. Good. Next.
Kad me Bharya Rachita Banbhatta.
There was a very great poet called Banabhattaha. Banabhattaha was a very great poet. Okay. So he was what? Rachayita. He was the Rachayita. Composer. Can you tell me what is the Pratipadikam of Rachayita? Can you think of the Pratipadikam of Rachayita? No?
Something like Rachaya.
No, no. What kind of words have we done with these pullinga words which seem to be ending in a? Have we done words like done words like yodha?
Yeah, so through will come, no?
Very nice.
Yodhru.
So the pratipadikam is rachayitru. Clear? See, these are all points which you should carefully remember. So Bana Bhatta, Bana Bhatta will become Pratipadikam of Bana Bhatta, but this is Akaranta Pullinga, we know. This is Rukaranta Pullinga.
Okay.
Clear? Good.
Right.
So Kadambaryaha. If this is in Pratham in Sashti Vibhakti, then what must be this word in Prathama Vibhakti? Let's go reverse now.
Kadambari.
Kadambari. So this Bana Bhatta wrote a very beautiful composition called as Kadambari. It was written by this Bana Bhatta. Very beautifully written, you know. It's a sort of a story. Kadambari was the name of the book, right? So Nadi became Nadyaha, Gandhari became Gandharyaha, Kadambari will become Kadambaryaha. Good. Okay. Read further, Rakesh ji.
Yes. Pustakasya nama Gita Sopanam.
Gita Sopanam.
Gita Sopanam.
Pustakasya of this book, Nama Gita Sopanam. Pustakasya. Pustaka was an akaranta napusakalinga. Correct, no? So just like Mahabharatasya, Pustakasya. Good. Next.
Ramayanasya Karta Valmiki.
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 Valmiki. Read dirgha, raspa. So Valmiki. So Karta. What is the Pratipadam of Karta? What is the Pratipadikam of Karta? What is the Pratipadikam of Karta?
Is it Kartru, sir? Is it?
Kartru. Very nice. Pratipadikam of Karta is Kartru. Right? Good.
Yeah.
So Ramayanam. Napusakalinga padam.
That's like Chakram, no? Ramayana.
Like Chakram. Like this is actually Rama Ayanam. The path of Rama. The path of Rama. Ramayanam means Ramasya Ayanam. Ramasya Ayanam. You see, I have used Sashti here again. Ramasya Ayanam. You see, Rama, Akaranta Pullinga. So Ramasya Ayanam. You get what I'm saying? What is Ramayanam? Ramasya Ayanam. Clear? Good. Okay. So Ayana is Akaranta Napusakalinga Padam. So Ayanasya, Ramayanasya, Karta, Valmikihi. Okay, good. Next.
Nagarasya Nama Indraprathama.
Indraprastham.
Indraprastham.
You know where is Indraprastha, no? Our Delhi is Indraprastha, no? So Nagarasya Nama, Nagaram, Pratipadikam, Akaranta, Napusakalinga. Nagara. Right? There's another word for city. Nagari. So tell me, the name of the city is Mumbai. Bolo.
Mumbai.
No. The name of the city.
Nagarasya Nama. Mumbai.
No, Nagari. I want you to use the word Nagari.
Of the city.
Nagaryaha.
Okay.
Gandhari. Gandharyaha. Correct, huh?
So Nagari is the Strilinga Padam of.
Kadambari, Kadambaryaha. So Nagaryaha Nama Mumbai. Clear?
Yeah.
Nagaryaha Nama. Nagaryaha Nama. Clear, no? So now we have done Ekavachana forms we have done. So we did Krishnasya. We did Gandharyaha. All Ekavachana forms. Clear, no? We did Malayaha. We did Bharatasya. We did all Ekavachana forms of Akaranta Pullinga, Ikaranta Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga, Akaranta Napunsakalinga.
Yes.
Correct? But we know that there are two more Vachanams also. Right? You can say one Krishna, two Krishnas, or five Krishnas, any Krishnas. Correct? So you have got Dvivachana and Bahuvachana also. Correct? So let us see what are the Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms. Okay? Yes. Kananji, read. Avadheyam.
Avadeyam. Krishnaha Krishnasya. Gita Gitayaha. Vani Vanyaha. Chakram Chakrasya.
Very nice. So these are the forms which you already know, which we have done. Correct, no?
Correct.
Now, what are the Ekvachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms? So let us read. Yes.
Vrikshaha. Vrikshasya. Vrikshayoho. Vrikshayoho. Vrikshanam.
Very nice.
Sena. Senayaha. Senayoho. Senanam. Nari. Naryaha. Naryoho. Narinam. Jnanam. Jnanasya. Jnanayoho. Jnananam.
Is this clear? So when you say Vrukshasya, of
Clear.
the tree.
Difficult to remember.
Not really. By the time we finish Shashti Vibhakti, you will know them.
Jnanam means knowledge, na?
Jnana is knowledge. Very nice. Right. So
But
Vrukshaha. Come
two
again.
knowledge and knowledge, not clear. Knowledge is one only.
Why? There can be many knowledges, no? Why? There can be many knowledges, no? There can be mathematics, science, many types of knowledge is also possible, no?
Okay.
Right? No, not possible.
Possible.
Huh? So, Nari, woman, right? One woman, two women, many women. So, of one woman, Naryaha Nama Kim, right? Right? So, then you can have Naryoho also. You can have of two women, of many women, Narinam Samuha, a group of women, Narinam Samuha. Or I can say Naryoho Samuha, a group of two women. Correct? Naryaha Nama Kim. What is the name of one woman? Right? Sena, one Sena. Senayaha, of one Sena. Senayoho, of two armies. Senanam, of many armies. Vrukshasya, of one tree. Vrukshayoho, of two trees. Vrukshanam, of many trees. Clear? Now, some places you find na, at some places you find na. Don't you observe that? You say Vrukshanam. Correct, no? So, for example, you said
Similar to the same rule you had, no? For the
I had given the rule, no? And if you want to say of many Krishnas, Krishna Nam. See here, Nam. Here,
because
Nam.
yeah, because
Why?
here
Why?
na between there Shah is there.
Because of the ksha, that means ka plus sha is there, no?
Yeah, sure.
So because of this shakara, the nakara changes into the nakara.
Yeah, whereas here after Shakara, this Na comes here.
So there is a break. There is a break.
Yes.
Right? There is only if there was a pa varga or a ka varga, then this nakara would have changed. But na is the ta varga, so the rule doesn't apply. Clear? So if we go by the same way, we have Krishnasya. Krishnayoho. No. Krishnayoho.
Yoho.
Krishnanam.
No.
Krishnanam. Clear? And if you have say Gita, so Gita Yaha, which you already studied, which we already know, Gita Yaha, Gita Yoho. Of two songs. And of many songs, Gita Nam. It's very, very phonetic. Very, very phonetic. There's no rule which is broken. You see, very, very phonetic, no?
Yes.
Veena. So Vani, sorry, Vani. So Vani becomes Vani, Vanyaha. Which is that? How does it go? Vani,
Vanyaha.
Vanyaha. Sorry, I'm not writing the column properly.
Yeah, Vanyaha.
Vanyaha. Vanyoho. Nadyaha, Nadyoho. Right? Naryaha, Naryoho. Vanyoho. Vaninam. No. Vaninam.
Okay.
Then last one, Chakrasya. Chakrayoho. How tell me? Chakra. Am or Nam?
Chakranam. Na.
Chakranam.
Repa is there.
Refa is there.
Yeah.
Rakesh ji, clear? समझ में आया? Don't get worried if you are not able to remember them all straight away. By the time almost 20 pages, we are going to do only Shashti Vibhakti. So by the time we finish the 20 pages, you will 100% you will know.
Okay.
So now we have handled only Akaranta Pullinga. Correct? Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Strilinga, and Akaranta Naputkalinga.
Yes.
Correct? Only 4 types you have handled. And we know there is Ikaranta Pullinga, there is Ikaranta Strilinga, there is Ukaranta Strilinga, Ukaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Strilinga. You remember, no? Rukaranta Pullinga, Rukaranta Strilinga, which we have to do, still to do. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Don't get overwhelmed. We will stop here for today. I want you to study this Avadeyam perfectly. Clear? You should remember carefully. With not many words to remember. There is only 12 words to remember. That's all. Correct? 12 types to remember. Right? So Krishnasya, Krishnayoho, Krishnanam, Gitayaha, Gitayoho, Gitanam, Vanyaha, Vanyoho, Vaninam, Chakrasya, Chakrayoho, Chakranam. These 12 words you have to by heart practice. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Listening recording also helps.
Come again. Listening. What is that?
Listening recordings also help.
Yes, definitely it helps. But what I suggest is also write. Take 4 Akaranta Pratipadikams, take 4 Akaranta Strilinga Pratipadikams, take 4 Ikaranta Pratipadikams, any Pratipadikam. We have got so many we have done by now. Take 4 Naputsakalika Pratipadikams, write out all the forms. Trust me, writing will be faster.
Okay.
Right? Shall we stop for the day then?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Namo Namaha.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir.